New data showing that the total value of the housing market has recovered from the declines triggered by rising rates. Yahoo Finance's Dani Romero is here with the details. And Dani, this is all from a new Redfin survey, right?
Yes, the housing market is making a comeback, and that is because the lack of homes is pushing home prices up and boosting home values to hit that $47 trillion mark that Redfin reported. The dilemma here is that many homeowners are sitting on a nice low rate and making many of them really reluctant to sell. As a result, many buyers are left with such a small pool of homes and to choose from, which is stopping home values from falling. Regionally, Atlanta, Boston, Miami are posting the biggest jump in home values, while the West Coast, specifically the tech hub and the pandemic boom towns like Phoenix, saw the biggest drop in home values because they are among some of the most expensive markets out there, meaning that home values have a little bit of that wiggle room to fall. But on a percentage basis, other cities that are booming when it comes to home value include Little Rock, Arkansas, Camden, New Jersey, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Wilmington, Delaware. That's just to name a few. Home values did not overheat in these markets. You can see it on your screen right now. So they haven't really seen a drastic fall when it comes to home values.
Dani, we've been talking so much about the low inventory being a key issue in the housing market. I mean, those value gains you just pointed to, is that likely to spur homeowners off the sidelines? Is that enough to get them back in?
It could be maybe a smidge of a push right there. But yes, like you said, some homeowners are seeing some really big gains out there. About 8% of homes are worth over 7 figures, and that's what Redfin reported. Back in February, the number of homes worth 7 figures took a nosedive, hitting a 12-month low. Now the share of million-dollar homes is hitting another all-time high at 8.6%, Akiko. High home prices, the low supply of inventory out there are pushing home values up. And the way that one economist put it is that if you have a nice home that is in good condition, priced fairly well, you're going to be experiencing a bidding war. Overall, there's really no rush to offload a high value home. And also another thing to put into perspective is that now that the U.S. might avoid a recession, that could also boost some demand out there down the pipeline.
All right, Dani Romero, great stuff. Thank you.